Unraveling the phrase, in top form, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, in top form. Understanding idioms can be a key part of mastering the English language, and this phrase is a great example. So, let's get started and find out what it means to be in top form. In top form is an idiom that describes someone being in their best condition or performing at their highest level. It can refer to physical, mental, or emotional states. For instance, an athlete might be in top form when they are performing exceptionally well in their sport. The phrase, in top form, likely comes from the world of sports or physical competition, where being in top, or the best, form is crucial for success. However, it has since expanded to include any situation where someone is performing excellently. 1. Sports. The soccer player was in top form during the match, scoring 3 goals. 2. Workplace. You were in top form during the presentation. Your ideas were clear and convincing. 3. Personal abilities. After practicing for weeks, she was in top form for the piano recital. When praising someone's performance, you're in top form today. To describe your own state in a positive way, I feel in top form this morning. In reflective statements, during those years, I was really in top form. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, in top form, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our language, making learning them both fun and useful. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.